Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through this CRM tools for you website. So it is called HubSpot. HubSpot is the best CRM tools in 2025, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial about this website. So what is HubSpot? HubSpot is a central hub to manage everything from attracting leads to closing deals and keep customers happy. The HubSpot CRM is the heart of it all. It's a free tool that help you organize and track your interactions with customers, sales, and marketing teams. Love HubSpot because it helps them work together and better. So I'm going to walk you through with some important top benefit or important features of this website. It has a all-in-one platform which is an intuitive dashboard. So let's get started. So free features you will love. You have this content, you have contact and lead management. You also have this business insights, and also they have access to reporting dashboard, which is an intuitive dashboard. You also get access to an AI bot, which is a bot. You can ask any questions from here. Get free CRM, chart plan, and pricing. So if you want to check their pricing list, you can just use it. So I'm coming there. So now let's talk about the manage sales pipeline with the total visibility. So this actually gives access to the free access to free features of the pipeline management, deal calls, and email tracking. Then immediate meetings scheduler. Then also get access to keep your focus teams on the customers. Then from there, you can get access to help desk, ticket, and share inbox with live chat support. So HubSpot deliver an excellent level of details, and the interface was better, easy to use. Now let's get started. Going with HubSpot free CRM today, so you can get started thinking if you can get an access to pricing list, but didn't work out to be. So that's most important things about the website. Also, let me give you the quick review. It also provide easy integration, a scalability, and also a user-friendly interface with a data-driven insight that helps you manage your. So now let's get started with this. So for you to get started, just click on the get started button. Then from here you can simply create an account. You can create an account with your email, your Microsoft, then your Apple account if you have any of them. So I'm just going to use the Gmail. Let's continue with the Gmail. Okay, so let's start with this Gmail. Then tap on continue. Okay, good. Now I should be expecting a confirmation in my email. So let's get started. Yes. Okay, do you know? Okay, good. Do you know which problem do you want to solve with HubSpot? Okay, let's get started now. Okay, what industry are you in? Right, technology and services, computer science. Okay, good. Marketing and advertising. Okay, technology and services. Okay, owner. Just switch this to your needs, then you can input your company name, which is Twoguysfinance. Then you continue. So how many? Okay, from 2 to 6 to 10. Get a complaint. Okay, just Twoguysfinance.com. Right. right? Then you can just simply create like that. Thank you. We get started your account ready. Alright, you're getting your account ready. So from here, what will you like to focus on first? So what we like to focus on, just on automatic marketing. Okay, also generate leads, grow your market, grow and manage your sale pipeline, skills manager report, and a bill payment collect. So let's start with automate market. Let's see how it works. So out of step 4, then step 1. Now we move to step 2. Are you using any of these tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, Zoom? So I use any of them. Use this one of this, which is Gmail. You can simply tick on this. If you have more than that, you can simply tick more. Okay. You have the Google Meet. Yeah. Facebook Meta Hats. Yeah. Do that. So just check any of the one that you have currently. So let's go to next. Then add one or more contacts to see your CRM action. So from here, you just have to add the CRM contacts. You can just simply add the name, last name, then the email, then the job title. Then you can simply open the lead status. So for you to do that, just go to, you have to simply synchronize your contacts. You can see sync my Google contact. For you to be able to add any contact from there, you have to sync your contact. Once you sync, then you can just continue with that. But since I don't want to, I just easily skip that. Then from here, I can add teammates to set up HubSpot together. So I can simply add my more email from here, email address. Then from there, click on next. I'm just going to skip it for now. Then get your HubSpot ready for you, doing your information, configuring your CRM, then personalizing your account. And that's it. That's a simple way to create an account. I see welcome Martins. The account is ready. So that's how to create an account on HubSpot. So let us know when let us show you around and see. So let's get started. This is where you can simply add a contact. You can see phone number. It is the automatic marketing. You can simply do that. This is just get a number. Then here is sure you want to close the door. Alright, no, that okay, good. Just trying to show us around. So this is the subscribe. And here is where you can explore other features like contact properties, filter views, and a dynamic list. Right from here, you can also get a recommend. You can also get recommended, which is all you need to get started. Is just continue. Set up the basic. Okay, we allow us to check that. You can see set up the basic. So create account name. So all the information you skip earlier, you have to set them to make you gain access to that. And from there, here's your workspace. Here's your workspace, and here's your CRM tools. CRM, the contact, the companies, the deals, the tickets, the list, inbox, calls, and all that information. Currently, there's no call, there's no inbox, there's no inbox. Okay, currently there's no inbox. So once the owner of your account is linked to this, so you can reply. Only this is locus. To start your guess, you have to enroll in the paid version. You can see that. So which is awesome. You have to get started for that. So also you can also come back to the commerce option where you can get the payment invoice, the payment link, code, product, and subscription. Okay, and here is the workflow. And here is your here's your report, the dashboard, your marketing analysis, your sales analysis, your service analysis, and your forecast. And here's your data management, this integration, the custom events, the data quality, the data set, and all of that, together with your library where you get access to your template, your meeting scheduler, your documents, your playbook, and your snippet. Yeah, this is just the overview of everything, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.